Technology is the bridge which connects not only people but also helps in upskilling. Jai Hind everyone, my today's topic is Atmanirbhar Bharat. Atmanirbhar Bharat is started by the government to provide upskilling and also focus on indigenous things on the various factors to provide the employment and also work on the research factors. Provides the people to not only focus on just providing the employment and also focuses on providing the upskilling. Like for example, government has started upskilling programs like Skill Dunia Bharat, which focuses on various programs, helps in education and providing the new technologies which will help them to upskill and to focus on the new technologies and make new projects which will help them in the research sector. Like there's various programs which was developed, which was started in 1983, which was like Integrated Guided Development Missile, which focuses on developing the missiles like Prithvi, Agni, Akash, Trishul and Nak, which focuses on developing and boosting our defense system, which not only just provides an factor for the research, which also helps in upskilling and providing a way for the people to do the good things for the nation and for also for themselves also. The Atmanirbhar Bharat not only just focuses on one particular people, it focuses on providing the unemployment, like for example providing the Manrega schemes and BVG Bharat missions, which provides the various employments like providing the employment of 125 days to the people, which also focuses that the people have the employment in the right manner. Like there is something things happens like the crops harvesting which happens in which the local farmers don't get the jobs which was provided by the government. So what government does is that government focuses on the one particular month which provides the employment to the people, which will ultimately help them in maintaining the daily needs. And Atmanirbhar Bharat also focuses on majorly providing the employment and providing the chances to the youth by providing various apprenticeships in the government sectors, like providing apprenticeship in the DRDO and research, which will help them to work in one particular organization, which will help them in the future to provide the good educations and good technologies upbringing in the society. And to conclude, I need to say that it's not just only about one person who have to focus on the doing best for themselves. It's about the people and the youth who brings the other peoples also and to contribute in the nation's upbringing and for providing the better future for the next generation and to also contribute in the nations also and environment. Thank you.